Today, we will demonstrate how to assemble a variety of switches and wire them to the control box. You will need the following 3 things. This wiring one is what we offer. You need to prepare a reset switch and a switch housing in advance. Now let's see how to wire this. Firstly, remove the wires from the terminals. Thread the cable through, then reconnect the wires to the terminals. Check the connector terminals labeled open, COM, and close, corresponding to the red, yellow, and blue wires, respectively. Properly place the connector inside the switch housing. Securely snap the switch faceplate onto the switch housing, ensuring it is firmly in place. Before we connect the reset switch to our control box, we need to turn it off first. Here, we will also be using these 3 colored wires. Find the correct connector and attach wires to it. After finishing it, you can turn on the control box. Let's see how this switch works. The wiring procedure for this switch button is identical to that of a reset switch. Before wiring, remember to turn off the control box first. Connect these 3 wires to the correct terminal block. Ensure that the wire ends are firmly attached to the terminals. Now turn on the control box. On this button switch, the green button is for opening, the red button is for closing, and the keyhole acts as the COM contact for circuit control. After inserting the key, turning it downward completes the circuit, and turning it upward opens the circuit. In this video, by turning the key downward and pressing the green button, the pool cover will start to open. Pressing the green button again will stop the movement.